Very good morning to all. It is a pleasure to be with you, from my Economy and Finance channel. I hope you are feeling very well and are ready to acquire new knowledge in this very important field. Today we will talk about who Amancio Ortega is. Let's start.
Birth.
Amancio Ortega Gauna, born on March 28, 1936 in Bustongo de Arba, León, Spain, is a Spanish businessman recognized as the founder and honorary president of Inditex, the largest textile group in the world. He is also the founder of the world-famous brands such as Zara, Bershka, Pull & Amp, Bear, Lefties, Oizo, and has acquired the Massimo Dutti Group, and Stradivarius. Son of Antonio Ortega Rodriguez and Josefina Gauna Hernandez. When he was 3 months old, his father moved to Tolosa, Guipuzco, where the latter worked as a relief station manager. Amancio lived in the Basque village until he was 12 years old. With his first wife Rosalía Mera, he had 2 children, Sandra, born in 1968, and Marcos, born in 1971. In 2001 he married Flora Perez Marcote, with Marta being born on January 10, 1984.
Early years and beginnings in the textile industry.
Born into a humble family, Ortega experienced economic difficulties from an early age. At the age of 13 he left school to work as a courier in a clothing store in La Coruña, called Gala, where he acquired invaluable knowledge about the textile industry. This early experience introduced him to the world of fashion and textile manufacturing, sparking his passion for the industry. In 1960 he made robes in his home together with his brothers and Rosalía Mera, who would be his first wife. His entrepreneurial spirit prompted him to create his own company in 1963, Goa Confections, which are his initials, in reverse, dedicated to the manufacture of housecoats.
The birth of Zara and the Inditex empire.
In 1975, the first Zara store opened in La Coruña together with Rosalía Mera. Inditex, an abbreviation of Inquat, Textile Design Industry Limited Company Inquat, was established with the vision of offering fast and affordable fashion. That same year, the first Zara store opened in La Coruña, marking the beginning of a revolution in fashion. Its business model, based on the rapid and flexible production of designer clothing at affordable prices, captivated the public and laid the foundations for Inditex's resounding success. As detailed on its website, Inditex's business model is characterized by the search for flexibility in adapting production to market demand, through control of the supply chain in its different phases of design, manufacturing and distribution, which provides the ability to focus on or supplier production on trend changes within each commercial campaign. The company expanded rapidly nationally and internationally, consolidating itself as a global fashion benchmark. As can be seen on the Inditex website, about the activity and management of the group. Textile Design Industry S.A., hereinafter Inditex, domiciled in Spain, Deputation Avenue. SN Inditex Building, Arteixo Coruña, is the parent company of a group of companies whose main activity is the distribution of fashion items, essentially clothing, footwear, accessories and home textile products. Its activity is carried out through different commercial formats, such as Zara, Pull & Amp, Bear, Massimo Dutti, Bershka, Stradivarius, Oizo, Zara Home, and Uterp. Inditex is a company listed on the 4 Spanish stock exchanges, and together with its subsidiary companies, makes up the Inditex Group. In 2023, Inditex, owner of the Zara clothing brand, announced a change in its business model in Argentina. It will no longer have a direct presence and it will be the Regency Group that will be in charge of the Argentine and Uruguayan markets.
Business philosophy and keys to success.
Ortega is known for his discretion and austere lifestyle, despite his immense wealth. He doesn't like giving interviews. What's more, he has only conceded 3 in his life. Its business philosophy is based on attention to detail, closeness to the customer and constant reinvestment in the business. Constant innovation, adaptation to trends and the ability to respond quickly to market demands have been key to Inditex's success. Amancio Ortega led Inditex to massive international expansion. Zara and other brands of the group were established in Europe, America, Asia, and Africa. Ortega's strategy was based on understanding cultural differences and consumer demands in each market, which contributed to Inditex's global success.
Social impact and philanthropy.
Beyond his business role, Ortega has demonstrated a strong social commitment through the Amancio Ortega Foundation, which focuses its efforts on education, health and social integration. Among its most notable projects are the creation of educational centers, the financing of medical research and the promotion of scholarship programs for young talents. The foundation has donated millions of euros for medical research and the improvement of school infrastructure.
Amancio Ortega Foundation.
As can be seen on the Amancio Ortega Foundation website, we can rescue its mission and vision. The Amancio Ortega Foundation is a non-profit institution that began its activity in 2001, the result of the philanthropic concern of its founder and his desire to contribute to the creation of a better society. In the spirit of expanding and extending well-being to all members of society, all the Amancio Ortega Foundation projects share the objective of creating opportunities for the beneficiaries of its actions, especially for those who live with situations of greater vulnerability. With this purpose, it acts in two key sectors to achieve a quality life: education and social welfare. The personal values and management style of its founder are the main source of inspiration for the institution's strategy and day-to-day life. For this reason, the Amancio Ortega Foundation works from understanding and commitment, with a marked sense of solidarity, authenticity and constant effort.
Legacy and transcendence.
Amancio Ortega has left an indelible mark on the world of fashion and the global economy. His innovative vision, his capacity for tireless work and his social commitment make him an inspiring figure for entrepreneurs and businessmen around the world. Its legacy extends beyond numbers and brands, as it has transformed the way people dress and live, democratizing access to fashion and contributing to the well-being of communities. Regarding his personal life, Ortega has been described as a reserved person. He is one of the richest men in the world. Through the Pontigadia company, it brings together all its assets, which are invested in the real estate and investment sector. His real estate assets are concentrated in Madrid and Barcelona, and he also owns properties all over the world. In 2019, the owner of Zara acquired part of Amazon's headquarters in Seattle for €655 million and charges Amazon to rent that part of the headquarters.
Final reflection.
Amancio Ortega's story is a palpable example that success is not limited to those who come from privileged backgrounds. His career demonstrates that with effort, dedication and a clear vision, it is possible to achieve great goals and generate a positive impact on the world. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell, giving it a like, and sharing with friends and family, so they can benefit from our economic information and our financial tips. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.